When a Xiaomi phone won't start, gets stuck on the logo, or locks you out, it's frustrating, and visiting a service center can be costly. In this video, we'll look at 5 Xiaomi repair tools that can help fix common issues at home. Top 1. Best Xiaomi Phone Repair Software. Android Repair. Designed for users who prefer a guided fix rather than manual flashing, Android Repair focuses on resolving common Xiaomi system failures such as boot loops, black screens, and repeated crashes. So, how can I use Android Repair to repair my Xiaomi device? Launch the Android Repair utility on your computer after free download from above. Connect your Xiaomi device to the computer using a USB cable, and select Android Repair from the left-hand menu. The tool will display the Xiaomi issues it is capable of resolving. You may review these issues and click Start. Enter your Mi device information in the subsequent interface, and click Next to proceed. Type the number 00000 into the designated field and press Confirm to continue. Follow the simple instructions on the screen to boot your Xiaomi phone into download mode. After that, you will need to click Next to download the firmware for your device. Once this is completed, the software will automatically begin the process of repairing the MIUI system. Top 2. Xiaomi Repair Tool. Built with service technicians in mind, Xiaomi Repair Tool targets complex Xiaomi software faults that ordinary utilities often cannot resolve. It supports firmware flashing, device revival, and recovery across a wide range of Qualcomm and MediaTek Xiaomi models. Top 3. Xiaomi Pro Tool. A more flexible approach to Xiaomi maintenance can be seen in Xiaomi Pro Tool, which combines multiple repair and unlocking functions into a single workspace. Top 4. XiaoMiTool V2. Created for enthusiasts who want control over firmware management, XiaoMiTool V2 emphasizes flashing and restoration rather than traditional repair workflows. Top 5. Xiaomi Fire Tool. Aimed squarely at professional repair scenarios, Xiaomi Fire Tool addresses serious Xiaomi phone failures, including dead boots and deep software locks. It supports EDL-based flashing and advanced recovery tasks often required in repair shops.